Hey, how's it going, everybody? Dom from Formal Debut, and on today's show, we are going to talk about microfiber towels. So let's get started. So what is the best microfiber towel for car detailing? Now, that is a really hard question to answer because all kinds of different microfiber towels are used for all different purposes. So on today's show, we're going to talk about all the microfiber towels that I use for car detailing. We're going to talk about some different features of each microfiber towel, and we're going to talk about their application and what they're used for. First off, we have a Rag Company Edgeless 365 microfiber towel. The Edgeless 365 is really good for all-purpose use. I use this for interior detailing mainly. I use it for cleaning interiors. It's good for buffing off polishes. It's not super soft. It's not super thick. It's 365 GSM. And the weave itself is not super soft or fluffy. So it makes a good towel for all around, buffing use. It's really good for interior use. It works really good for cleaning stubborn messes on the interior that are more difficult to get with a plusher towel. Let's talk about the blend a little bit of a microfiber towel. They are usually a blend of polyester and polyamide. The polyester gives the towel its rigidity and its strength, and the polyamide gives it its softness. So the Edgeless 365, along with I think most of these towels that I'm going to show you today, are a 70-30 blend, 70% polyester, 30% polyamide. So this is my main all-purpose towel. So next we have the Rag Company Eagle Edgeless 350. These towels, as you can tell the difference between the Edgeless 365, they're a lot thicker and they're a lot plusher. These are 350 GSM. They have a longer weave to them. They're a lot plusher and a lot softer. I tend to use these for buffing off polishes because they are just thin enough to give me the pressure to buff off a stubborn polish, but they're not super thin and risk scratching the vehicle. Or I'll use it on some parts of the interior, but mainly what I use these for is they make really good polish removal towels. 350 GSM, again, a 70-30 blend of polyester and polyamide. It's a very good all-purpose towel if you're looking for something a lot softer than the Edgeless 365. Like I said, I think the Edgeless 365 is a lot better all-around, all-purpose use, but I use these for buffing off polishes. Next, we have the Rag Company Eagle Edgeless 500. Now these are 500 GSM. They are again a 70-30 blend polyester and polyamide. I'll use these towels for applying and removing paint sealants. These towels work incredibly well to apply different paint sealants like CarPro Reload 2.0 that I have right here. Super plush, super soft. They're not going to do damage to the surface, especially if you've already fully detailed it, fully paint corrected it. These are going to be super soft to use on the paint surface. You can see the difference in thickness between a Eagle Edgeless 350 and an Eagle Edgeless 500. They're a lot plusher, a lot softer, a lot higher GSM. Super plush, super long weave. So you're not going to risk damaging your paint. You're not going to scratch anything when you're applying or removing your paint sealant or your wax. Or I also use these towels for cleaning gauge cluster screens, infotainment screens, because again, they're super, super soft. They're not going to scratch or damage the screen. So for infotainment screens in the interior, this is the duo right here. CarPro Clarify or any glass cleaner will work just fine. Spray it on the towel and wipe off with the super plush Edgeless 500 towel. And get your infotainment screens looking perfect. So that's what I use these towels for. All right, let's talk about cleaning glass. Now, this is the glass towel that I use. It's a Rag Company waffle weave microfiber towel, and you can see the difference in the weave. It's called a waffle weave, and you can see why. These are incredibly good glass cleaning towels, and that's what I use these for. They are a lot less likely than any of those other microfiber towels to leave streaks, to leave residue behind. They're super absorbent. A lot of times you'll see waffle weaves used as drying towels because they have a lot of surface area. They are super, super absorbent. These are glass cleaning towels. So this is a Microfiber Madness Slogger towel. Rag Company has the Pearl microfiber towel. These are what's known as a pearl weave. They're very, very thin and they're very short. These are perfect for leveling ceramic coatings. Because of how thin they are, they don't leave streaks. The purpose of a pearl weave microfiber towel like the Slogger from Microfiber Madness is to level ceramic coating. I'll usually use two. I'll use one as the initial level, and then I'll use another one to wipe the surface clean, and they just do super, super well for leveling ceramic coatings. After you're done leveling a ceramic coating, you take these towels and you throw them in the trash because the ceramic coating will harden in the towel. Take note of that when you're done using a coating towel, you throw it in the garbage. All right, moving on. All right, so now we're going to talk about drying towels. So this is a Rag Company Gauntlet microfiber drying towel. You can see it's a lot larger. They make these in all different sizes. The weave on this is a twisted loop microfiber weave, and the twisted loop makes this towel super, super absorbent. This small towel, depending on how much water is on the surface, you could dry an entire car with this size of towel. So this is the Rag Company Gauntlet. This is a Rag Company Liquidator. Super thick, super plush, and you can see the twisted loop microfiber design in this one, which makes it super, super absorbent. If you're looking for a drying towel, you want to find a twist loop microfiber towel or a waffle weave, as we discussed before. They are also very absorbent and very good for drying. All right, I want to give a couple honorable mentions to an applicator and a wash mitt, because they're not exactly microfiber towels, but I want to talk about them a little bit. This is the CarPro microfiber ceramic coating applicator. I like these for applying ceramic coating. A lot of times when you're using the foam block and the micro suede applicator, you have a tendency to drop it. These are really, really good because they fit over your hand just like that, so you're not going to drop this when you're using it. It also has a mesh or a foam backing to this, so you're not going to get products seeping through onto your hand or soaking the entire applicator. So these are the applicators I use for ceramic coatings, for applying ceramic coating. This is a Rag Company microfiber wash pad. Now they have this design in a mitt form as well, so I like the pad design. If you like the mitt design, they have a very similar design in a mitt form. But this is the Rag Company microfiber wash pad. All right, so just to recap, what is the best microfiber towel? Well, it depends on what you're doing. For me, these are the towels that I find to work the best for all the different purposes. Edgeless 365 for interiors, Eagle Edgeless 350 for buffing off polishes, Eagle Edgeless 500 for applying sealants and waxes, Microfiber Madness Slogger towel or Rag Company Pearl microfiber towel for leveling ceramic coatings, Waffle Weave towel for cleaning glass, and a Twisted Loop microfiber drying towel. What is the best microfiber towel? These are the best microfiber towels, and that is their application. So I want to thank everyone for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. So as always, for Formal Debut Detailing, my name is Dom, and I'll see you guys on the next one.